Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Stock Dr. RR. In this channel, we do pure technical analysis of US as well as Indian stock market. So friends, today we are going to talk about 19 stocks which you guys asked me on the Discord channel to analyze. So before we start our analysis, in case you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead, subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon so you will get the notification of all future videos which I am going to make on this channel. So friends, here is the list. We are going to analyze these 19 stocks one by one. Now, I'm going to recommend the levels, or I'm going to let you know what are the support and resistance levels. So this is not the recommendation from my side that you need to go and buy the stocks, but if you have any holdings, then you can, just check. And out of these 19 stocks, some stocks are showing me showing a good strength to me. Okay, so you need to watch this video thoroughly, and one by one you need to see all the stocks on the chart, and then you will understand which I'm saying that might give a good return in coming sessions. So the first stock we are going to analyze is Adobe. For the Adobe, you can see now the pre-market has started actually. So pre-market is showing the price of 390 rupees. On Friday, this stock is closed at 394, 394.78. To me, this stock has the support of 385 is the first support, and second support is coming around 365. So this means the stock is having earning. Okay, let me tell you, the stock has earning on which day. The stock has earning on 15th of September. Okay, so in 3 days the stock has earning. I'm not sure whether this date is correct, but I'm sure that in this week the stock has earning. Currently, first support 385, second support is 365. Looking at this current price action, I think the stock looks strong. It might go towards 400, 420 and 440. These are the three levels if the stocks perform well. 400, 420 and 440. These are the three levels which I think the stock can show. And if the stocks breaks 385, then it can go towards 365. Next stock we are going to discuss is Amazon. For the Amazon, I think 130 is the price which we need to see. If Amazon is above 130, then Amazon can go towards first target of 138.50, second target is 144. If it stays and sustain above, you can say 145-46 range, then the stock will be going into the good targets after it stays above 145 to 146 levels. On the contrary, on the downside, if it doesn't sustain above 130, it can go towards 125 and 117. Next stock is Baba. Now for Baba, the strong base is formed near 85 to 86 range is the strong support I can see for the Baba. 85 to 86 range. Okay, this is the strong support. The targets for this stock would be, first target would be 98, second would be 104, and third would be 110. These are the three targets which I can see on this stock. Now, if this stock doesn't sustain above $90, I mean it starts going down from the $90, then the stock can go towards 86. And if it doesn't sustain above 85-86 range, then the targets are 80 and 76. These are the two targets for the downside. Next stock we have is ENPH. For the ENPH, I think that ENPH was consolidating in this range from almost July, 20 more than 20 days is sustained in it's traded in this range, and it gave a trend the range breakout on 7th of September. So, and after this breakout it gave a retest after a breakout. So now the targets for ENPH are big. Okay, so if ENPH stays above 290, sorry, 290 is a strong support for ENPH. Okay, now once ENPH starts trading above 315 to 320 range, once it starts trading above 320, 315 to 320 range, then it can show the upside of 100 points from here. Means the target should be 450, 475 and 350, 375 and 400. These are the three targets which I can see for the stock. But the only one condition, the stock should start trading above 350, 320 range, and the stock has the strong support at 290. So if somebody has this stock, one can hold with the stop loss of 290 on the closing basis. If somebody wants to buy this stock now, he can buy now, or on the safer side, he can buy once it starts trading above 350 to 320. So this is the idea about this stock. ENPH personally, I think can be added if it hold the level of 290 and it starts trading above 315 to 320. The next stock we have is ENVX. For the ENVX, I see the range as if it starts trading above $21.50, then it can go towards the range of 23.50 is the first target and 25 is the second target. I am looking for this target, 23.50 and 25. If if it face the resistance as 21.5 and starts going down like this, then the first support it has is near $19 is the first support. Second support it has 17.80 and third support it has $16. These are the downside range. First is 19, second is 17.80 and third is 16. Next stock we have is Google. For the Google, this is the channel. Google is trading this channel. Google's chart looks good. If it stays and sustain above 112, then Google can go towards the first target of 116, second target of 120. If it doesn't sustain above 112 and starts going down from here, then it can go towards the target of 108 and 105. These are the two targets for the downside. Next stock we have is MDB. MDB chart looks good to me. I would say that MDB can show more strength if it stays above this 270 range. If it stays above 270, okay, momentum looks good. The first target would be 285 and second target is 300. These are the two targets. If it stays above that also, then it can go towards 320 also. The stock has stop loss around 250. 250, it has the stop loss, or you can say support. If it starts trading below 250, then it can go towards 235. This is the one target I can see. The second target can be towards 220. Next stock we have is Meta. Meta charts look good to me at this point of time. Meta has strong support around 155. 155 is the strong support for the Meta. Now Meta wants to go quickly towards 172.5. Once it starts trading above 172.5, this will show us the strength in the stock, and immediately it will go towards 180, 187, and if it stays above that, then 200. These are the three big targets which I can see on the meta. Only condition is it needs to stay and sustain above 172.5. Okay, if it stays and sustain above 172.50, then it can show these targets. If it starts on the contrary, if it starts going down, then first support it has is around 160 to 160. This is the first range, 160 to 160, and then it can come towards 155. And if it starts trading below 155, then the stock will be in the sale zone. So this was about Meta. Next stock we have is Micron. For the Micron technology chart, let me tell you guys. Micron technology currently showing a strength right now. Micron technology has a support at 53.50. 53.50 is a support for this stock. The stock, if it continues its momentum, then stock's first target is $61. If it stays and sustain above 61, then it can go towards 65. These are the two targets I think on the chart right now. If it starts trading below 53.5, then first target it has around $50. But looking at this chart currently, if index perform well, then the stock will also show good returns. The next stock we have is NVDA. NVDA chart looks good. NVDA has good support around 130 to 32. 130, 132 is a good support area. Stock can go towards 155 is the first target. Second target is 160. Next stock we have is Oracle. For the Oracle, I can see support around $73. And if the momentum continues to the stock, the first target it is showing around $80, and second target is $84. If this stock starts trading below 73, then it can go towards $70. This is the first downside target. Now the next stock is PayPal. For the PayPal, the support is coming around $89 to $90. 89 to 90 is the range support area for this stock. Looking at current price action, stock might go towards 103 and 112. If the stock starts trading below 89 to 90 range, then stock can go towards 80. This is the first target, and second is 68. Next stock we have is RBLX. For the RBLX, I can see this range. RBLX has a good support around 35. If the momentum continues, then stock can go towards 53. And if the stock starts trading below 35, then the stock can go towards $24.50. Next stock we have is Shopify. Shopify is showing a good strength right now. If this momentum continues, then stock can go towards the first target of $40. If it stays and sustain above 45, 45.50, then the stock will go into very good upside, and it will be very good for the long-term holding also. After it trade and sustain above 45.5, then the next long-term target would be somewhere around $60 to $65. The stock is having a strong support around $29. Next stock we have is Snow. For the snow, support is coming around 165 range. If the momentum continues, the stock will go towards 200 and 250. If the stock breaks 165, then it can go towards 150. Next stock we have is Square. For the Square, the current support is around 71. If it stays below 71, I mean, if it goes below 71, then it will show the level of 64. And if the upside momentum continues, then it can go towards 80 and 85. Looking at current price action, the stock looks good for the upside. Now remember, my friends, all these stocks are some of the stocks are showing good strength. But remember, tomorrow is the event, economic calendar. You can see tomorrow is a big event of core inflation rate. Okay. Based on this, market might show some, big moves on any direction. So keep that in the mind. And the next important event we have is on 22nd of September, which is, Fed press conference. Okay. These two are very important events. Please keep them in mind before taking any, investing or, trading decision. So the next stock we have is our favorite Tesla. For the Tesla has support around 290. If the upside momentum continues, then Tesla can go towards 320. If it stays and sustain above 320, then first target would be, second target would be 340. And then if it stays above 340, then this stock will come into the zone of hold for the long term. Now, if the stock starts trading below 290, then it can go towards 280 and 265. Current momentum looks strong for the upside in this stock. Next stock we have is the trade desk. For the trade desk, if momentum on upside continues, then it can go towards 71.50. First target, second target would be 77. If it starts trading below $64, then it can go towards 59 and 55. These are the two targets for the downside. The last stock we have is UPST. Now, if you check the price action of UPST, I think the stock has resistance around 28.5. If it starts trading about 28.5, the first target would be 31 and second target would be 35. Now, if it doesn't sustain about 28.5 and starts going down, then the stock can come towards $23. This was all about those stocks today, my friends. I hope you understood the levels and you will take the correct decision based on, your due diligence, and definitely it will help you to take, the understand the exact levels and create your trade plan. So this was all about today. If you learned something out of this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share this channel with your friends and family members. I took out the time and I analyzed these stocks for you. So I need one favor from you all. You need to share, this video link to your WhatsApp friends, and let's grow this channel. Last but not least, let's learn and earn together. Thank you, my friends. Bye.